Hey guys, I am just recording a quick thing about the assignment that we were doing this week. And if you're looking at this at another time, this is the week of the, let's see, I think it's is it the 19th through the 23rd? Yeah, the 19th through the 23rd. So this would be the week we were working on mandalas. And here is your Canvas page in case you have never visited it before. Welcome to Canvas. This gives you kind of a rundown of what a mandala is. Just in general terms, a mandala is kind of like a Zentangle, but a circular Zentangle. So you'll notice that a lot of times the mandala looks kind of like a flower, and that's because flowers are sort of a circular symmetrical design, and that's a big thing about mandalas is the symmetry. If you don't know what symmetry means, basically symmetry is the idea that things are the same on one side as they are on the other. And then with a mandala specifically, that's called radial symmetry. So circular, radial refers to circular, so circular symmetry basically. The mandala is an old design, an old form of art, probably from the thousand years ago, maybe more. Very common in East, like India, Thailand, places like that. So I would recommend that you look up mandalas on Google just to get some different ideas, see some different types. They're very cool. Lots of neat different types of mandalas out there. I have given you basically a little step-by-step. You can follow these instructions. The most important part of these instructions is this right here. Basically, the idea is you take circles and you break them up into a bunch of pie pieces. But those pie pieces and those concentric circles on the inside, that makes it so you're able to have little spaces you can fill in. Again, just a lot like Zentangles, but you're going to repeat that pattern in a circle. Okay? So you can follow along this one. You can follow along with one just like this. You can do your own. And I've given you this that if you want to print this out and put it under your paper, it might help you with a little starting place. So there is a quiz that you're going to take after you finish your mandala. Those will be due at the end of next week, so actually due on Halloween. But that is the assignment for this week. We'll start something new next week. Next week is a short week, but we'll start something new. Of course, I'm saying this week and next week is if you're listening to it right away. Maybe you're just picking this up at some other time. Okay, so that is your assignment. I hope you do well with it, and as always, call me, email me, Zoom in if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.